Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and today is another calendar day. It's for July. Today I'm going to be using some alcohol markers. I don't know how it's going to go on this paper. It might bleed a lot, but we'll see. So I already have the colors all picked out, so we can get right on into it. I'm going to start with the seeds into peaches, because I'm scared. So I'm thinking this paper is either going to really suck up the ink, or it's gonna bleed everywhere. Alright, not bad so far. Now I did actually have to look at the reference for this because I wasn't understanding some of the lines here. So these are shadows, and even this. And then the circles around the bowl is like a pattern, I guess. I don't know, it's a little weird to me, but I didn't make the page. I'm just coloring it. This is coming out a lot more yellow than I thought it would. Could you focus, camera? Okay, so around the seed is usually kind of like pink. I'm gonna add a little bit of pink and try to like blend it into the color surrounding it. Like really hot pink, but we'll see if we can work with it. Okay, it's drying right now. Hopefully it'll dry later. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and color the skin hot pink too. I don't know why. There's only a little bit showing, and I want it to contrast with the innards of the peach. Oh my god, there's another peach. Well, this one looks like it's the skin, so this hot pink deal might have been a mistake. Now for the popsicles. Like, this is really red. I really like to color on the page because I did swatches. Thought it'd go nice with the orange color. Also, what's with the popsicles like being in a bowl of ice? Does anyone actually do this? They stick their naked popsicles in a bowl of ice? It's kind of weird to me. I do think Paige is a little thirsty. I think it's mixed media, but more like on the wet side of mixed media paper. Because there's like really big tooth. So my markers are like getting sucked dry, which is not a big deal because these were all like cheaper markers that I'm just trying my best to get rid of over time. Maybe someday I'll have the nice oohoo markers. Hope this one's not dried out. It looks like it's dried out. Oh no. I think that did help with making it look different, unlike on the peaches where it doesn't look that different. I kind of wish I had put this like deep pink in the middle now. Oh well. Too late. Too late. I'm guessing one of these rings is the bowl. Like the lip of the bowl. I just colored in the wrong spot. There's too many rings. I don't know why this is the pattern on the table. Unless it's a plate? Why would you put a bowl on a plate, though? I don't know. Tell me what you guys think it is in the comments. Jesus, how long has it been so crooked? I'm not sure why I thought this would be a good shading color for all three of these, but here we are. Not me stalling to figure out how I'm gonna fix the bowl that I colored in wrong. Like, I don't know how I feel about a brown bowl, but it's like the only color that will cover this up, I think. Barely cover it up. Actually, that doesn't look bad. It just looks like a really dark green. So maybe we'll, go ahead and layer this over the whole thing and go over with the brown. Alright, it did dry a bit more brown. Could you please focus, camera? But it's still gonna look different. Also, I can see shadows on, like, drawn on to this lip here, so I don't know if it was a mistake or if this bowl is really a plate. Alright, so I really am on the fence about making the inside of the bowl brown too. I think that's just a weird color for dishware. I don't know. I know there are brown dishware out there. It's just, I don't know. We're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna go ahead and make the inside of the bowl brown. Just a lighter brown though. Alright, so I am coloring the ice cubes because ice cubes are technically transparent. But I'm just making it a shade lighter than the bowl. And now I'm gonna make some stuff kind of reflecting and bouncing off of the ice cubes by pulling in some of the colors from everywhere else. Alright, because I have like no patience for doing each individual color for the shading, I'm gonna grab like a gray color for all the shading. Alright, here's hoping this isn't gonna be too dark. Right over here. Alright, if I do it lightly, it hopefully will still be transparent enough to kind of show the colors through it. So I'm guessing this whole area gets covered with the gray. I'm trying very carefully to make it go down in one layer, because the more I add to it, the less you'll see the color through it. I want it to be the shadow and not like a mess of color. Alright, I think I'm done with this. This was not too bad of a video, actually. It was done pretty quickly. But here it is. Try to take it out of the glare for you guys to see it a smidgen better. This is July for you, done with alcohol-based markers. If you guys missed the last calendar page I did, you can go ahead and click the link here. If you guys missed the last video I did, you can go ahead and click the link here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!